In this video, we can talk about top 5 AWeber alternatives and competitors. Hey there, welcome to Alternatives Co channel. If you're searching for alternatives to AWeber, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives of AWeber, which are ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, Mailchimp, Brevo, and ConstantContact, each offering unique features and functionalities to help you with your email marketing needs. So let's dive in. Let's start with ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is an all-in-one marketing automation and CRM software that provides a powerful solution for your email marketing campaigns. It offers excellent features like marketing automation, SMS marketing, customizable forms, and email monitoring. With ActiveCampaign, you can effectively segment your customers and engage them with personalized messages. The standout feature of ActiveCampaign is its comprehensive automation capabilities, allowing you to create intricate workflows that maximize your campaign's efficiency. Next up, we have GetResponse. GetResponse is a feature-rich email marketing platform designed to help businesses of all sizes. It offers an array of features like marketing automation, website builder, and SMS marketing. With GetResponse, you can create visually appealing emails and automate your campaigns based on user behavior. One notable standout feature of GetResponse is its webinar hosting functionality, allowing you to engage with your audience through interactive online events. Now let's talk about Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a popular email marketing platform that helps users drive business growth and improve customer retention. It provides some key features like A/B testing, personalized onboarding, and pre-built templates. It provides an intuitive interface and a wide range of features with robust segmentation capabilities to target the right audience. Also, it comes with a standout feature, which is its comprehensive marketing CRM, which allows you to manage and track your customer interactions seamlessly. Moving on to Brevo. Brevo is an all-in-one email marketing and SMS marketing platform. It offers features like deal pipelines, SMS marketing, email marketing, and WhatsApp campaigns. Furthermore, it provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor for creating visually appealing emails. And one of the standout features of Brevo that makes it unique is its user-friendly approach, offering effortless campaign creation and real-time monitoring. Last but not least, let's discuss ConstantContact. ConstantContact is an exclusive software that enables users to create and compare 2 versions of an email campaign with their target audience. It offers features like marketing automation, SMS marketing, customizable forms, and email monitoring. It offers a wide range of professionally designed templates, making it easy to create eye-catching emails. One of the standout features of ConstantContact is its event management functionality, which enables you to seamlessly create and promote events to your audience. Compared to AWeber, ActiveCampaign not only lets you create and send targeted email campaigns, but also automate your marketing processes based on customer behavior. GetResponse offers a comprehensive email marketing platform with additional features, such as landing page creation and webinar hosting. Mailchimp stands out with its robust marketing CRM that lets you manage and track customer interactions and gain valuable insights to improve your marketing strategies. Brevo comes with SMS marketing capabilities that sets it apart from AWeber, allowing businesses to engage with their audience through text messages. Lastly, ConstantContact differentiates itself with its event management functionality that lets you seamlessly create and promote events to your audience. After thorough research and considering the unique features and capabilities of each alternative, we would recommend ActiveCampaign as the best alternative among the 5 options mentioned in the video. ActiveCampaign provides a comprehensive solution that combines marketing automation, email marketing, sales automation, and CRM functionalities. Whether you need to create personalized email campaigns, automate marketing processes, or track customer interactions, ActiveCampaign offers a robust platform to meet your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.